That was just gonna be way too fucking.
Probably a good idea.
Now I'm just getting a shit ton of headshots now. I don't have any secondaries for this.
Oh well. It's like you're choking on dick, bro.
Don't get mad, son.
Don't get offended. It's just a joke.
Don't get mad, son.
Mad spray.
Recoil control. Fucking A.
Oy vey.
Huh? I'm just extremely bored of this fucking game.
Yeah, who isn't?
I don't know, but I'm about to go find a scrim after this because I'm bored.
Nice shot.
Thanks, brah. Got a reaction of like a fucking squirrel now.
Squirrels.
Yeah, bro. Fucking ridiculous. I learned how to play by angles instead of like just throwing it out. I swear, like, they're just always trying to bust me cheating. All the time.
Never said you cheated. I just said you sucked before. I mean, I'm happy that you improved.
Dude, I haven't played this game since you played.
Yeah, I'm just saying you weren't good before.
What was the best before? The best.
You're a lot better now.
The best. That was fucking Dude, I play with the top tier kids now. That's how good I am.
Wow. See, now you're just trolling. Bring a spraying the whole time.
I'll fucking one tap you the whole time.
That took a while. Wow.
Oh god.
I'm legitimately impressed.
Oh my god. That's one bandy.
Yeah, I enjoy watching it.
Oh my god. Dude, it was just like a snap, like it was like I'm aimbotting. Oh, that was fucking awesome. Which one do you want? The first one or the second one? You want me to upload both of them?
Both of them. Sure. I mean, I'm not surprised that I'm losing rifle, but...
He's like, now you're just trolling, spraying. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know which ones these are. Oh, never mind. I can check the dates. It's like, I can't watch them on my computer. I don't know what the fuck's going on with it.
Good game.
GG, bro. I'm glad that I had to come on and show you who your fucking daddy was for like the 300th fucking time.
No, I'm legitimately happy that you improved by such a large margin.